push this and pull the choke. And let's see if it'll go. You know what?
It's dead.
No, it's working. Well, we gotta turn the gas on right here.
I'm gonna do it with this.
Yeah, where does it say on? On. Reserve. Off. Right there. Okay, it's on. Get on. Ready to go.
Whoa, you're on the siren? Poor man. Oh, nothing wants to start.
Reserve.